Welcome back. Hi everyone. In this short video, we shall explore the Clipboard API in JavaScript, a tool in JavaScript that helps you copy and paste content using code. Think of it like using scissors to cut and glue to paste paper, but in your browser. The Clipboard API lets website copy text to or paste text from the user clipboards. It's useful for things like copy button, auto paste fields, or even building your own text editor. It only works when the user interacts with the page and usually needs permission. Imagine you are working on a craft project. You cut out a piece of paper and glue it somewhere else. That's exactly what the Clipboard API does. Copy and paste just like scissors and glue. You have probably used it in tools like Slack, Google Docs, or even browser extension. Here's a basic example. To copy text, we use navigator.clipboard.writeText. To paste, we use readText, which gives us the content from the clipboard. Just make sure this happens after a user click a button and that your site is running on HTTPS.